This is what most beginners get. And this is what they wanted. The problem isn't the AI, it's how they're using it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the simple way to create your first clean AI character. All right, let's jump in. This looks complicated at first, but we're going to keep this simple. Most beginners make one mistake right here. They overthink the prompt. You don't need a paragraph. You need a structure. Here's the simple framework. Subject, style, lighting, background. That's it. Friendly futuristic dad, cinematic lighting, soft blue rim light, clean studio background. Start with who or what. Add the look. Add the lighting. Then keep the background clean. Now watch what happens. Already better. And we didn't overcomplicate anything. Now let me show you what most people accidentally do. They start adding everything. Ultra hyper detailed, cinematic photorealistic 8K, dramatic epic Unreal Engine masterpiece, ultra sharp dynamic lighting, volumetric fog, intricate textures, HDR high realism. They stack buzzwords. They copy long prompts. They think more equals better. Let's see what that gives us. It's not terrible, but look closely. It's trying too hard. The AI isn't confused. We confused it. Watch what happens when we simplify. Subject, style, lighting, clean background. Same character, clear structure, less noise. Cleaner lighting, more control. Simple wins. Now that you understand structure, let me show you how to refine this even further. Now that this already looks good, but we can make it even better with a couple small tweaks. The key isn't adding more words, it's adjusting the right words. Earlier we created friendly futuristic dad, cinematic lighting, soft blue rim light, clean studio background. Now we'll adjust the wording to friendly futuristic dad character portrait, cinematic digital art style, soft blue rim lighting, detailed face, clean studio background. Here I added character portrait and detailed face. Let's run it again. Notice the difference. Cleaner skin detail. Better lighting. More focus on the character. If you like learning AI the simple way, consider subscribing. I'll be posting a lot more tutorials like this. Now that you know how to create a clean AI character, let me show you how to save it and use it in your projects. Generate a few variations. Save prompts you like. Keep prompts simple. And that's the simple process. Structure your prompt, keep it clean, and make small adjustments. You don't need massive prompts to get great AI characters. Now, at this point, we've created a clean image. But we can also turn this into a character. A character just means the same person you can use again in future images or videos. The key is keeping the core description the same. That becomes the identity of your character. Now, if we generate again, we get the same character style, just different variations. And now that we have a character, we can bring it to life. Here's a simple trick that keeps your character consistent. Keep the first part of the prompt the same, and only change the scene. That part becomes the identity of your character. This part is just the environment. Same character, different scene. You can also give your character a name. For example, we created a character that's a person. But characters don't have to be people. You can create characters from a description or from an image. You can even create characters for objects, backgrounds, or specific visual styles. A robot character, a spaceship character, even a background style you reuse across images. The key to keeping those characters consistent is using the same core description. Think of a character as anything you want to repeat across your images. Here's a trick many AI creators use called a character Bible. It's just a fixed description of your character that never changes. Every image starts with the same character description, and only the scene changes. Same character, different situations. Next, I'll show you how to turn this character into a talking AI video. And that's where things get really fun.